annual Manipuri Students Freshers Meet 2019 was held at Rajiv Bhavan in Silchar, Assam. The event, organized by All Assam Manipuri Students Union, was participated by more than 1,000 students. President of AMSU, Pangambam Nilkanta, Social Scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laishram, Vice President of AMSU, Laishram Athauba were among others who were on the dais during the program. As a part of the event, 150 topper students of Class 10 and 12 were felicitated by AMSU. Mr. and Miss Freshers were also chosen during the event. In support of the protest by the labourers of Food Corporation of India Jiribam from August 14, demanding up-to-date and better wages, labourers of FCI Sangaiporo launched a cease-work strike and staged a human chain protest along Tidim Road, Imphal today. Treasurer of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Labourers Welfare Association, Romesh Laishram, said that the labourers of FCI Jiribam are demanding increase in labour charges. They demand ₹6 for lifting a 50 kg bag, for which only ₹2 is currently paid. Romesh demanded the government fulfill the demand by September 5. On the last and concluding day of the Manipur Legislative Assembly monsoon session today, Speaker of the House Y. Khemchan announced the selection of 7 members each for Committee on Public Accounts, Committee on Estimates and Committee on Public Undertakings for the financial year 2019-20. Pakistan and China have signed an MOU for the enhancement of defense cooperation and capacity building of the Pakistani army as the top generals of the two armies discuss the situation in Jammu and Kashmir. Tensions between India and Pakistan spiked after New Delhi abrogated provisions of Article 370 of the Constitution that gave the special status to Jammu and Kashmir.